Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Sometimes our kids need a little encouragement to put down the mobiles or step away from the TVs. Particularly during these pandemic days, our children are forced to confined inside our houses. So as parents, it's our duty to comfort them by creating joyful environment. It was this thought which finally ended up in this video. So friends, today we share a cute and interesting model of a playhouse for our children. I assure you that this is going to make our little ones very happy. So let's have a look at the video. Here, the structure of the model is mainly made of PVC pipes, and also we are using T's and elbows to connect. The other materials used will be given in the description below. Let's get started. about the video. Hope you all liked it. This is a beautiful model in which we try to utilize simple things available around us. This playhouse can be a wonderful gift which is sure to please the kids. It will be really awesome to see those smiling happy little faces. So, try making this budget friendly model by your own. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.